special about the ingredients, it's probably the same as any roll ingredient. It's just the way you put it together. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 cups of warm water.
So is that a warm water?
Yeah, warm water.
Warm water. What is considered warm? Not too.
Oh, you should let it.
Actually, this is a little hot. I had to heat it up because it's lukewarm, like bathtub. This one,
Is that for the
we didn't have
why?
Sorry, I think I just came back from my class.
I was wondering what this was.
Is that for the yeast?
I work hard.
yeah, it has to be a little bit warm so that the yeast will activate.
Yeah. Yeah, he makes her recipe. Wow. I actually don't want to learn how
Okay,
to make them.
your hands clean?
No.
Everything? Okay.
Can we buy a husband? Is that you see on the shelf?
Oh, well, I just
Mexico chicken.
well, I was going to let you touch it so you can feel how.
Well,
You guys didn't get the side effects.
She did it.
You only got. I didn't list the side effects yet of this husband.
Okay, so feel the temperature of it.
I would be hungry at work.
It's warm to the touch, yeah? Okay, so it's 2 cups of water, and then a 1/2 cup of sugar. So 1/2 cup of sugar. I use my cup for everything and just kind of eyeball it. But if you have a 1/2 cup, a 1/2 cup of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of yeast, and we just sprinkle that on top. So, in New Zealand we call it a dessert spoon, right? So 2 dessert spoons of yeast. And then you let it sit for just about a minute to make sure it bubbles. Because sometimes, it doesn't happen all the time, sometimes either your yeast is off or something and it doesn't activate. Then if it doesn't start to do something, then throw it out. It's no good. But this should be good because I just used it, so I know it's good. But you let it activate. Let it sit for about a minute and just start to get wet and warm up. Okay?
No stirring, you don't do it.
No, you don't do anything to it. You just put it on top and let it sit for a minute.
Where do you store your yeast?
In the fridge.
Oh,
I
see.
put it in a plastic container and I put it
How
in the
about
fridge.
freezer?
Freezer too. Anything, as long as it stays dry, yeah? Dry and cool. If you put it in a cupboard and it gets damp, it might get, lose its activation. Okay, so that's about a minute. Okay, then we take our cup and we add 3 cups of flour. And usually all I do is shake it so that it's level. So that's 1.
Could we use whole wheat flour?
I see
Yep.
bubbles.
Actually, if you're going to use whole wheat, you use
Or whole grain? Or
three regular flour, and the balance, the addition that you're going to add later is 3 whole grain, because it's a little bit heavy for this raw recipe. So it may not rise, or it might be a little too heavy if you just use all whole grain. So that's 3. Okay, and then about 1/4 of a cup of dry milk. Some recipes call for milk, but this is way easier than putting milk in and then cooling it. That's a 1/4 cup. Okay? And then,
That's what Bernie was talking about.
I know, 2 teaspoons, that's a teaspoon,
Yeah, that's
of salt.
Yeah, that's a
love it.
teaspoon.
Okay? And then you mix that through just to get it all wet and mixed up. Yeah, so I had to figure it out so I could write it down so you know the measurements, because I'm thinking, it's this. Okay, so here we go. So that's that so far. And then it's sticky. Then you're going to add 1 egg. 1 egg. This does a pan this size.
Wow. 3 cups of flour.
No, because you're going to add 3 more.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
I'm going
That's
to.
just the stuff. Yeah. So you measure 3.
Yeah. You went and dry.
Yeah, you do half. Set it with the 3 and then add the other.
Oh, I've been meaning to.
Okay, so that's our egg. We did our egg.
Just one.
And then what's next?
remaining.
Margarine or butter.
No.
3 cups.
3 more cups of flour.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
Oh, I'm not reading the
All right.
I haven't got my glasses on.
So now it's going to be.
Oh yeah, 3 cups of flour, then blend in,
That's a
and
mini.
then you add the butter. Okay.
So this is still just mixing though with your spoon. In your bowl, you don't take it out, you don't have to roll it or anything, you're just going to blend it all in.
This is fine doing it in our mixers too, yeah.
Yeah, you could do it in your mixer.
Oh.
The only thing you might want to do in your KitchenAid
The
is the
KitchenAid.
butter, the last step, because that I kind of rub into it and let it sit. I don't know how KitchenAid works, if it goes slow enough, does it go real slow?
Yeah, it has different.
Oh, it
Oh,
has
okay.
to be stirred slowly.
Well, no, the butter, the last part. So
the
this is your dough, and that looks like a regular bread dough, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the last thing is the butter or margarine, and it's a cube, which is the same as a half a cup, right?
Right.
And this you're just gonna knead into your dough. Well, not knead, but just work it in.
Is
I
this
didn't
the
realize
same?
you were left-handed. No, you're right-handed.
Right-handed,
Why am I
yeah.
talking?
You're on the other
I
side.
had a
That's
long
why.
day.
Why, is this the same dough as your bread?
No, no. This is the raw recipe. The bread is not hard, but it's a wet dough, and then you've got to roll that out, and it takes longer to cook. Well, this one cooks faster. That's why I thought it'd be good to teach, because it.
Okay,
So-
Christmas I bring it to you. We switch.
See? And this is it. This is your butter, and then all you're gonna do is work that butter into your dough. So that once it's all worked in, and that's it. See? Now, if you want to feel that, wash your hands and you can feel
It's
that.
like that voice sounds familiar.
We'll curl it. Big mouth.
There we go. See? Okay, and then you usually throw a towel over it to let it stay warm. And you let it rise till it's double in size, which sometimes takes an hour, sometimes faster. You know, on those really hot days, it'll rise really quick. And this is what it looks like when it's risen.
1 hour, right?
1 hour?
1 hour usually, yeah. On a hot day, less than that.
Is that like the punch?
Yeah, this is your punch. So you're just pushing it down. Okay, and then I get a pan. Now this pan, you can either spray it with Pam, or I just foil it. Only because my pans are ugly and and the Teflon's coming off, so I just line it with foil. Now you can all try this, but all I do is I take a pinch of the dough and I make a ball.
Oh,
That's it.
yeah.
That's it. So there's no really kneading. It's just you're going to pinch it and make it into a ball. And then line your pan. So I'll do it, and then you guys all come and have a try.
side gray?
Hi.
I told you it's easy. It's not hard.
Let's go have a try.
Come and have a try. I'll do this one.
In the
more.
oven, it'll just.
And then you let it rise again. So you let it rise again, and then you bake it 20 minutes at 400.
How long do you let it sit in the oven?
20 minutes.
Until it rises.
Inside the oven when you bake it? No, 20
No,
minutes.
before that. How long you stay, leave it out?
You let it rise again another maybe 40 minutes to an hour. So it's got to rise. Not kneading, but it's a rising, yeah? So come and have a try.
So why, what if you